Tree diagrams. During summer, in a certain city in South Africa, the probability of a sunny day is 3/7, and the probability of a rainy day is 4/7. If it is a rainy day, then the probability that Moloko cycles to work is 3/10. The probability that he takes the minibus taxi is 3 out of 5, and the probability that he walks to work is 1/10. If it is a sunny day, then the probability that Moloko cycles to work is 2 out of 3. The probability that he takes the minibus taxi is 1 out of 9, and the probability that he walks to work is 2 out of 9. Draw a tree diagram to represent the above information. Indicate on your diagram the probabilities associated with each branch, as well as the outcomes. Solution. Let us draw a tree diagram to represent the above information. We start with the event that the day is either a sunny day or a rainy day. We have been given 3 possible options for Moloko to travel to work. He either cycles to work, or takes the minibus taxi, or walks to work. We can now denote the probabilities on each of the branches for all the combinations. We are now ready to answer the question. For a day selected at random, what is the probability that it is rainy and Moloko will cycle to work? Moloko walks to work. To determine the probability that it is rainy and Moloko will cycle to work, we follow the path of the tree diagram. The probability that it is a rainy day is 4/7. The probability that Moloko will cycle to work, if it is a rainy day, is 3/10. Probability of a rainy day and Moloko cycling to work equals 0,1714. Let event A denote Moloko walking to work. Let event B1 denote a rainy day, and event B2 denote a sunny day. Probability of Moloko walks to work equals probability of Moloko walks to work given it's a rainy day, plus probability of Moloko walks to work given it is a sunny day, equals probability of B1 times probability of A given B1 plus probability of B2 times probability of A given B2 equals 0,1524. If Moloko works 250 days in a year, on approximately how many occasions does he take the minibus taxi? Let event C denote Moloko taking minibus taxi to work. Let event B1 denote a rainy day, and event B2 denote a sunny day. Probability of Moloko takes minibus taxi to work equals probability of Moloko takes minibus taxi to work given it is a rainy day, plus probability of Moloko takes minibus taxi to work given it is a sunny day, equals probability of B1 times probability of C given B1 plus probability of B2 times probability of C given B2 equals 0,3904. Number of days Moloko takes the minibus taxi to work? Approximately 98 days.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.